Poot, 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 poot. The cruise ship is sailing. Poot, 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 poot. I don't know, where are they
Get out of
going?
the way, said.
Maybe it's in Mexico. That's a really huge ship.
Ship's coming, they can't stop.
Yeah. Hey.
I remember there's a ship, something like that. And I was
Hey,
like
guys.
kayaking. I was like, oh, shit.
Yeah, that's scary. Come on.
Because you can only go so fast,
Give
but that
way, give
ship
way.
looks like it's slow, but it's moving fast.
Yeah. It's fast. Really.
I'm not sure what kind of ship it is. Some kind of.
One day, isang araw, makakasakay ka rin yan. Sada sad oh.
It's like
Do
a
you
Disney
like
ship.
to travel on a ship or do you like to travel
It's a Disney ship.
on a plane? Disney?
Mickey Mouse on the top. Red.
Oh, really? Disney. Maybe going to the Disneyland? Wait, wara. Chada oh. Nice ship. That's a huge ship. Chada bay. Disney Wonder. Disney Wonder. Beautiful. When I was in the Philippines, I only rode the super ferry.
2,400 passengers.
Huh?
2,400 passengers.
Really? When I was in the Philippines, I rode the super ferry and Negros navigation.
Entertainment, fireworks on the show, on the board too. Fireworks.
Oh, really? Oh, I can hear the music. It's loud. Let's go party, baby.
11 stories.
Oh, wow. Beautiful.
Fun shows, superhero shows,
Mm-hmm.
boutiques for the kids,
Mm-hmm.
musicals, massages.
So beautiful.
Goes to the
Living.
Caribbean, Alaska.
Oh, really? Going to Caribbean, Bahamas, Alaska.
It's registered in the Bahamas. It's all in the same thing.
Yeah, it's huge. Beautiful. Everybody's having a video too.
I don't know, they don't all look like little kids up there on that deck.
Bye bye. Enjoy your trip. Chada oh.